How much does it cost to start an ATM business? Starting an ATM business can be costly, requiring research and informed decisions based on factors like purchasing a machine, features, location, and partner number to determine the cost. Purchasing equipment. The main cost of starting an ATM business is purchasing the machine itself. New machines come with standard features, but depending on your business needs, you may want to invest in additional capabilities like wireless connectivity, EMV compliance, or a high-capacity cassette for increased cache storage. Choosing the right model ensures smooth operations and fewer upgrades down the line. ATM machine. New machines typically cost between $2,300 and $7,000. Sometimes you can find a good used machine for $1,500 or a refurbished ATM for under $2,000. Wall mount machines are smaller and cost less than through-the-wall machines. Refurbished machines are generally cheaper than brand new machines. Upgrade kit. Refurbished ATM machines must meet regulatory requirements and have upgrade kits, but older models may not support them. Consider repairs, upgrade kits, or cost-effectiveness, with certified machines being more cost-effective. Extra features. To attract more customers, consider adding features like LED keypads, signs, and cameras to your ATM machine. These not only help keep up with competition, but also add security. However, weigh the pros and cons of purchasing a new or refurbished machine, as it may need upgrades or supplemental features. Insurance. ATM insurance covers risks like vandalism, theft, weather damage, and lawsuits. It covers equipment and cash, purchased later. U.S. businesses spend $400 to $700 per year for $1 million in general liability coverage. Location owners may require coverage. Leasing a space. Renting a space for your ATM can be a viable option, depending on the location and projected revenue. To ensure a fair profit, consider splitting revenue instead of a set rent price, ensuring a steady profit even during slow business periods. Revenue split. To place an ATM in a store without a business, you may need to convince the owner to agree to a revenue split, which isn't a startup cost, but is crucial for calculating ROI, and is an alternative to renting space. Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.